Carlo, the moment I met you, it did not feel extraordinary. Our first meeting was brief. At that time, it seemed like a small, forgettable moment. But little did we know, God was already at work, quietly turning the page and beginning the chapter to our story.
Today, we're stepping into the most important engagement of our lives. And unlike any audit I've managed, this one is for a season. It's forever. Kaya ba yan?
We started out as work friends, and as our relationship grew deeper, I began to know you better, like discovering the layers of iceberg.
Oh my God, ang ganda mo. Oh my God. Ito yun, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Tara na.
Naka-makeup ka!
Mm.
Oh my God!
Oo.
Tara na!
Ah, mapakasa na tayo.
Sabi ko sa kanila kanina kay Carlo, Carlo, handa ka na ba sa exam? Po, mag-exam tayo habang kinakasal kayo. Bakit gusto mo siyang pakasalan?
Siya yung babaeng sa tingin ko ang kahati ng puso ko.
Wow, grabe. O Jaira, bakit gusto mong pakasalan si Carlo?
Naisip ko, parang dahil mahal na mahal ko siya, na gusto ko siyang makasama habang buhay. Hello? Yan po. Uy, ikaw na wala ka umiyak sa akin! Wala ka pa umiyak! Issue! And you've been there since day one. Since the prank call.
7 years. Oo, 7 taon. 7 taon nating ginawa yung preliminary review and audit fieldwork ng pagmamahalan natin. Hindi natin minadali. We took our time because what we have is too important to rush.
Kung mayroon man kayong problema, sana pag-usapan niyo na agad. Huwag niyo palipasin pa ng isang araw. Mahal na mahal kita.
Napakasaya naming nanay mo. Kakasal ka na ngayon. Yun ang aming pangarap. Magkasawa ka. Solo kang anak. Madadagdagan na tayo. Masaya ko. Para sa'yo, anak.
Thank you po.
I love you. Love you to, ah.
Nagpapasalamat kami dahil natupad mo mga pangarap mo na
Parang di na.
Promise to take care of myself so we can build a healthy, happy future together with the family we dream of.
Dahil sa dulo ng lahat, iisa lang ang conclusion ko. Ikaw ang aking palagi.
Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito
I promise to
ko.
choose you every day. Ikaw lang palagi. On easy days and especially on the difficult ones. In moments of laughter and in moments when life feels so heavy. Just loving you has been one of the greatest blessings God has given me.
Eto tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako.
Today, I commit to you, not just for this period, not just for this lifetime, kundi sa bawat bukas na gigising tayo ng magkatabi. Sa bawat pagsubok na harapin nating magkahawak ang kamay, at sa bawat pangarap na sabay nating bubuo.
Tangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo.
Carlo, you found me in a very ordinary moment in my life. On a very ordinary day. But you became the most extraordinary part of my life. And if I had to live my life all over again, I would still choose you every single time.
Jaira, baby, ikaw ang aking musika. Ikaw ang aking mahal. At habang tumitibok ang puso ko, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Mahal na mahal kita.
Carlo, halikan mo na ang iyong asawa.
Palagi